Where are you right now?
That's me.
Where are you? Are you at the beach?
That's me. That's me.
What's mean? That this guy because he's picking up the boats? I think that's his job. His job's to pick up the boats. I don't think he's being mean. I think he's just doing his job.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Picking up boats.
Yeah.
Picking up a boat.
He's got to pick up the lifeguard boats.
Lifeguard boats. Lifeguard.
Let's go see Lucy again. You want to go see Lucy? It's a giant elephant. We'll go see if we can see your mom and maybe Graham and Pop.
I'm gonna see it.
All right. Let's go check it out. All right, I'm coming. I'm coming. You're so fast. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Say bye to the guy getting the boats.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guy getting the boats.
Bye. Bye, look.
Bye, truck. We're going to go see the elephant now.
What's that? What's that?
That's how they cleaned it. God. That's a giant elephant. It's so big. This is as close as we can get. 'Cause remember, it's closed for the day. And then when it opens up again tomorrow, you can come see it. Okay?